Welcome to AI Beginner Circle, the place where learning AI is made simple for everyone. We especially focus on beginners over 40 who may feel new to technology. But don't worry, you're not alone. I'm learning right alongside you, and together we'll take it step by step so you can build confidence and start using AI in your everyday life. Let's get started.
Help me choose the best. Let me start from the basic. I want to invest in penny stocks. What is the best app to use for this? So it says if you're looking to trade penny stocks, which are typically shares priced under $5 and often traded over the counter, here's an overview of the top brokerage apps that are well regarded in 2025. It says recommended apps are E-Trade, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Interactive Brokers, TradeStation, and Webull. So let's see. E-Trade, it says best overall. It says Fidelity is best for low fees. Charles Schwab is best for beginners. Interactive Brokers is best for advanced or risk management oriented traders. TradeStation, top choice for frequent or technical traders, and Webull offers commission for free trading. Low liquidity, and it's warning you on the alerts to penny stocks. We are well aware of the risk, and that's why we want penny stocks, so our investments are low. So if we do lose, we won't break the bank, and if we hit big. So choose the right app for ease of use for reliable penny stocks. E-Trade. Lowest trade cost, Fidelity. Full OTC access with advanced features, Interactive Brokers or TradeStation, or clean model interface. And it's going to give you instruction on getting started. Open a brokerage account with one of the apps above. Verify that OTC penny stock trading is enabled in your account, and explore for screening, charting, and level 2 data. Start with small trades, use limit orders, and stay cautious. Okay. So next, I want to know, I am a beginner, so I need ease of use, as well as an app that has the most OTC penny stocks available, so I remain consistent. Give me the best 3 choices. Since you're a beginner who values both ease of use and broad access to OTC penny stocks, here are the top 3 apps tailored for your needs. Top 3 apps for beginners trading over-the-counter penny stocks. Fidelity. Why it's number 1 for you? It's a very beginner-friendly interface with excellent education tools, access to a wide range of OTC and pink sheet penny stocks, 0 commission on most trades, even OTC stocks, no payment for order flow, better trade. Best in class, highly trusted and stable for long use, offers fractional shares and strong research tools. Cons: no crypto, if that ever becomes a future interest. App is slightly less sleek than other platforms. I don't think we're worried about crypto right now. We're just trying to get into the OTC stocks, right? E-Trade. Very good OTC penny stock coverage, great educational, reliable execution, can upgrade to Power E-Trade, integrate with retirement accounts if needed, but it carries a $6.95 fee unless you're a frequent trader. I don't think I want to have a $6.95 fee when I'm trying to spend as least money as possible. So right now I see Fidelity seems like to be the best option for me. Interactive Brokers, why it made the list: most comprehensive OTC international penny stock, free commissions, fast access. Some feel overwhelming at first, so OTC carry per share fees. Okay, start with Fidelity if you want easiest and most trading runs into OTC penny stocks. As you get more confident, E-Trade will offer more tools and broader stock access if you want to expand. Would you like help setting up your account with one of these? Now, I wanna double back on something that I saw up here, because sometimes it doesn't give you the same information again. So you want to catch it. And what I saw up here was limit orders. What are limit orders? Great question. Understand limit orders key since they often have low volume and wide price range. A limit orders instructions give your broker to buy or sell stock only at a specific price or better. You set the maximum price you're willing to pay for the stock. Example, you want to buy a penny stock and it's currently $1.10. You place a limit order to buy at $1. Your order will only execute if the price drops to $1 or lower. So it's going to be working while you're not even paying attention. Then you set the minimum price you're willing to accept when selling. Example, you own a stock that's trading at $110. You place a limit order to sell at $125. Your stock won't sell unless the price hits $125 or higher. So then you're going to make money in your sleep if it hits that price you want. Now we're getting into making money. That's a word for it. I can't think of the word for it right now. But it's teaching us how to make money while we're asleep. So step-by-step walk through. So it looks like we're going to go with Fidelity, and yes. Well, it's asking, do we want a step-by-step walkthrough of the OTC trading? I think that's a little far ahead of what we need. So first, I'm going to tell it. First, give me the instruction. Actually, you know what? I like to give ChatGPT all the information. Sometimes it gives you a little more. So we're going to talk to it the same way. We're going to formulate mostly a whole coherent sentence. We are choosing Fidelity. Give me information on setting up an account with Fidelity. Then give me instructions on completing a limit order for OTC penny stocks. Now, for the most part, this is just something that I do. There's likely ChatGPT will kind of get to understanding what you're saying with limited words and limited sentences, structure, and things like that. But I just kind of like to type out things. I do texting the same way. I'm sure people hate texting with me because I type whole paragraphs. Sorry, I'm telling my age here. I'm old school, so shorthand's not really my thing. I like to type out what I'm saying, and so I kind of do my ChatGPT the same way. Now I feel as though it works for me because I have the memories turned on, and it kind of starts to understand you and your style and your methods and all that kind of thing. But for you might just say, "Give me penny stock." Set up an account, things like that. It's still going to give you information. This is just how I get down. So, once you dive in, you'll figure out how to do you. So here we go. It says, excellent choice. Fidelity is one of the most reliable, beginner-friendly programs for trading OTC penny stocks, especially with its zero commission structure and wide OTC access. Step-by-step setting up a Fidelity brokerage account. What you'll need. This is what you're going to need to set up your account. So security number, address and phone number, government issued ID, employer information if applicable, bank account info to fund your account. You do need a bank account for most of these kind of apps when you're dealing with stocks and investments. They want information. They want it to and from your account. They want ACH transfers, usually not debit cards. How to open up your Fidelity account. Go to www.fidelity open account, choose brokerage, select individuals, open now. Fidelity login with your email and username, yada yada. All the information's here. See, there we go. Link bank account for your ACH transfer. Step by step, placing a limit order. And now it's going to tell us how to make our limit order. Log into the app, tap the trade, tap stocks ETF, the symbol into the ticker for your OTC penny stock, tap buy or sell. In order to type sell, type limit, type your limit price, duration, day, order expires at the end of the day, GTS, good till cancel. That's if you want to just remain until it gets to that price. Tap preview order, place order. Then it also gives it to you if you want to use it on a desktop desktop. Pro tips for penny stock trading on Fidelity. Always double check the ticker symbols. Many OT stocks have lookalikes. Use limit orders only. Never use market only orders for penny stocks due to slippage. Not all OTC stocks are available. If stock doesn't show up, it may be restricted. Use the symbol lookup tool on the trade screen. Look for level 2 data and news via Fidelity research tool to help inform. Would you like me to walk you through a sample trade using a specific OT ticker or help find one that's currently available? And we're just going to say yes. Perfect. Let's walk through a sample OTC penny stock using a real commonly available ticker. Sample OT HCMC. Healthier Choices Management Group, OTC Pink, commonly used as example in penny stock education. Often trades under 0.001 cent. Volatility high, good for practice with limit orders. This is not a recommendation to buy, just a walkthrough. Sample limit order step by step. Assume you want to buy 100,000 shares of HCMC, but only if it's 0.008% or less per share. And here is the instructions. All right. Here's all the instructions. I like this. Here's your pro tips. Trade tiny amounts while learning, since OT stocks are very volatile. You want to get your feet wet. You want to just learn how to start trading to buy and sell the small stocks. There you go. So with this, not only we learned how to use ChatGPT, we've learned how to use ChatGPT to make money. And if you haven't started investing, you've learned how to start small and get your feet wet in investing. Would you like help finding a current active OTC stock to practice with today, or want a step-by-step desktop website instead of mobile? Give me 5 active OTC stocks currently available on Fidelity, and then step-by-step instructions on how to buy on desktop. So like if you want to break the information down, you can just say yes, give me the stock, or yes, give me the website. If they've given me 2 good options, I just go ahead and put them both in and let it work. And here we go. We have 5 active OTC stocks available on Fidelity. SGBX, Safe and Green Holdings, PHGA, BioMaxX, AIMD, Enos, LPSN, Live Person, often in penny stock screeners, and PSTV. Noted by traders and researchers, these tickers regularly appear on a list of most active low price and OTC stocks, making them a good starting point for practice. Step by step, how to place order on OTC stock on Fidelity. And here's what I'm going to do. It's asking if you would prefer to see screenshots from Fidelity's website. I was about to wrap it up, but first let's go ahead and get some screenshots. Yes, please give me screenshots. Let's see what it gives us. Yes. Give me the annotated screenshots in a walk. And now we're going to wrap this up. I was going to wrap it up. I'm going to say, give me mock screenshots for ticker, I think it was LSPN. I like that one because I've already heard about that one, so I want to get it with something I've heard of. It was LSPN, right? Yes, LPSN. Okay, we're going to do LPSN, and we're going to hit this button right here to go all the way back to the bottom. Yes, highlight limit price. It asks, would you like more annotated screenshot targeting specific field like highlighting limit price? I am going to say highlight limit price because that's the most important thing to me. I want to know how to set up to buy and sell while I'm sleeping. That's the goal. All right. And so what it's doing there, it looks like it's just going to generate the single image for what I asked for, which was highlighting the limit price. There it is. There is generated with the limit price. And I just downloaded that one because I'm actually thinking about using this myself, like for real. So I might go in and download this app myself. And so what I'm gonna do right now, though, is ask it to generate the Google Doc so I can have all that information in one place to come back to later. And so it's generating all the information now. And it says end of document. So I'm going to hit download, and I'm going to download it as a PDF just in case the Google Doc doesn't generate. Now I did want it as a Google Doc, but here it is as a PDF, which is also free. You can always just take this PDF and upload it to Google Doc if it didn't create a Google Doc. I'm gonna go back and take a look and see did it. Here's the PDF of how to set up the Fidelity brokerage account, how to place a limit order, and how to here's an example, and here's some tips, and there you go. Here is an example of how you can use. I'm gonna go ahead and see if it downloads some document too. Here's an example of how you will use ChatGPT, how to use it to make money, and as well, there you go with how to get started investing if you haven't done so. So thank you for joining me with this video, and I will see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, click like so more beginners can find it, and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. And remember, here at AI Beginner Circle, we learn, share, and grow together.